My name is Corin. I've been with Toolstation for 7 years and my role is the end user compute lead. We had a struggle with our legacy equipment where we were unable to support the operating systems with security patches, which then unfortunately come at an operational inefficiency for our support teams. This then created security concerns where we were unable to manage our antivirus and any other support around that.
They were very, very slow, very, very clunky. If you ever had an issue with one, it usually spread to the rest of them pretty quickly. The models themselves were fine for a business much smaller than ours, but due to our rapid growth, they quickly became unsuitable.
They were all desktop-based computers that needed to be physically on the network and wired in. They also used to have soft phones attached to the desk as well, so physical telephony actually attached to the desk. We had our hand forced somewhat by COVID and needing to find a solution.
They were running a very old Linux load on some old hardware and they needed to modernise their working environment because the motherboards they were running off were very old and no longer available, and they wanted to have something that would be easy to update moving forward.
So the experience with ASUS in general was fantastic. I initially reached out with just a simple question: is there a possibility to get these devices? By having a demo unit, it enabled us not only to have more of a hands-on approach and see the devices themselves, but it was also to show it off to our organisation.
We worked with Toolstation and an installation partner to make sure that they could deploy really quickly across their estate.
We received the devices within just shy of a couple of weeks, which for an agile business like ours meant that we could rapidly roll out these devices in a quick succession.
To be able to deploy that and get the whole team out in a couple of days is fantastic, so definitely unexpected. In that very uncertain environment, it was really, really positive for us, and it allowed us to kind of capitalise on that as well. While a lot of our competitors were not open, the fact that we were able to turn that around and give support to our customers really, really quickly was really positive for us as a business as well.
The ASUS NUC is a mini PC, really small form factor that packs a punch basically, so it was an ideal solution for Toolstation to use as their till systems.
So the reason why we chose the ASUS NUC was primarily the performance overall. So now we have a better performance and a more stable unit. That then led us to working with Google and ASUS to come up with a grand design on our retail estate and then move that into our distribution centres as well. When we explored the ASUS NUCs, we then expanded upon could we get these flexed. ASUS took that away and helped us to get that certified, and that made the process absolutely streamlined, perfect, couldn't ask for more.
Technology needs to work hand in hand with the staff. We know that we can provide top quality, industry leading customer service, and we need the IT functionality behind that to back us up. The ASUS NUC was very good. It means they have the confidence that when a staff member approaches to use the till, it's going to work first time for them.
We were looking at performance, especially when it comes to the speed of the device, as we had an influx of slowness around our legacy equipment. So the 13th gen Intel Core i3 processor was our optimal choice. It meant that we could expand our software choices. From that, we built upon a workstation environment as opposed to just a typical till environment.
The device was really appealing because it ran ChromeOS Flex, which gave the length of service that Corin and the team needed at Toolstation, but it also meant it was really quick and easy to deploy across the whole estate. Being a retail environment, space is a premium, so we needed to make sure it could be tucked away, hidden away, so users didn't interfere with it while they were pulling stock out or doing their day-to-day business, but packed the punch that it needed.
I was very, very impressed with the speed. We were one of the trial stores for the ASUS NUC. As soon as I booted it up in the morning, it loaded straight away. No connectivity issues, everything fired up nice and quick. It works when we need it and it does what we need it to do.
The biggest benefit of having the ASUS devices and the Google ecosystem means that it's coherent across the organisation. I can have a hands-off approach with doing updates. Why we chose ASUS over other brands, realistically, was affordability and reliability. When it comes to reliability with the ASUS laptops as well as the ASUS NUCs, it meant that we can be confident that the hardware is not going to fail, as opposed to other competitors that we have had in the past. This equipment has definitely been the most reliable for our business, and it means that the support there is minimal.